Welcome back to Explore Error. In this video, we will guide you on how to insert a PDF file in Word. If you find this video useful, then consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Here we are in Word, and if you want to add or insert a PDF file into your document, we will guide you step by step. Make sure you watch the full guide and don't skip anything, because there are different ways this can be done. This will help you learn the options so you can decide which way you want to use. For example, you can add a PDF as an icon that opens the file, or you can add the contents directly into the document, so you can choose the look that works best for you. First, make sure you know where your PDF file is saved. In my case, it is on the desktop. Once you know that, go to the top of Word and look at the ribbon menu. Find the Insert option and click on it. Next, move to the right side where you see the section called Text. In this section, find the option called Object and click on it. A pop-up window will appear. It will show Create New, but what you need to do is go to the top and click on Create from File. Now we need to find the file. You will see a file name box, but don't worry about typing anything. Just click Browse on the right side. Now, locate the PDF file you want to insert. As I mentioned earlier, mine is on the desktop, so I will find it there. Go to the folder where your file is saved, select the PDF, and then click Insert in the bottom right corner. Now you will see some options on the right side. You can choose whether you want to display the PDF as an icon or add the content directly into the document. First, we will add it as the file itself instead of an icon. Simply click OK, and as you can see, the PDF is now added to the document. You can also resize it if needed. Just click on the corners of the file, hold, and drag to adjust the size. This can help you place it exactly where you want in the document. If you found this guide helpful and want to see more tutorials like this, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video.